Here at Toyota of Glendora, we have all makes and models. So if you're looking for a used car, Toyota of Glendora is the place. While we take any car, truck, or SUV in trade, we keep only the best to sell to you, our valued customers. You'll have it all going on for you here at Toyota of Glendora, serving Los Angeles and Orange counties. Call or stop by now and ask about our extended warranties.
The 2009 Toyota Camry LE. Powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. With a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this front-wheel drive sedan gets up to 31 miles per gallon. This Toyota features power windows, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning, power door locks, and cruise control. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.